Okay, so in this video we're going to be doing a little battery comparison review, and Ovonic FPV sent me this battery to test out. It's a 4S1550 100C Lipo. Pretty typical size, and it's got an XT60 here. I'll just give you the measurements: 75 millimeters length, 33 millimeters in this direction, and 35 millimeters in this direction. And I just give you the weight. And this battery comes in at 192 grams, and the battery we're comparing it against is this guy here. This is the R-Line Tattoo 1550 95C, and similar dimensions. You can see here, R-Line on the left, pretty similar size, and specs. 95C versus 100C, and the R-Line weighs 196 grams, so overall pretty similar. And you saw a flight on this battery on the HL5, this drone here. It was about a week ago, I believe, and I did another flight with the Ovonic battery, which you're going to see in this video. So if you want to see this drone and compare flights on the R-Line, go to the card in the corner here to that video where this is flying on this battery, and then you can compare it to the flights that you'll see in this video on this battery. I'll also put up photos of the internal resistance from the charger for both of these batteries, and then you can, I think the R-Line's a little bit worse in terms of internal resistance compared to the Ovonic, but this one's a little bit older. I think this is about 4 months old now. It probably has about 50 flights on it, so I don't know if that makes that much of a difference, but yeah, just letting you know that the R-Line isn't brand new and the Ovonic is brand new. But if you check the links in the description, you'll notice that there's a pretty big price difference between the two. The Tattoo comes in around, I think, almost $40, $38 I think, $39, and the Ovonic comes in around $28, $29. Prices do fluctuate a little bit on Amazon. These batteries came from Amazon, so yeah, the price difference I think is around $10. Ovonic is about $10 cheaper. So you want to take that into account and do your comparison between the two videos and see which battery you think is the best value. I am not going to give you that conclusion. You guys can come up with that conclusion yourself, but I think personally, for me, I think that this battery here is a pretty good value. But I'll let you draw your own conclusions. In the event, here is the flight footage from this battery.